LinkedIn is a professional networking website that can be a useful tool for job seekers to find and apply for job opportunities. Here are a few ways that LinkedIn can help you find a job. Job listings. LinkedIn has a large number of job listings from various companies, recruiters, and staffing agencies, which can be easily filtered by industry, location, and job title. The platform also allows you to save job listings, create job alerts, and apply directly to job openings from the platform. Networking. LinkedIn allows you to connect with people in your industry, including current and former colleagues, as well as industry experts. Building a strong network of professional connections can help you get access to job opportunities that are not publicly advertised. Company research. LinkedIn can also be useful for researching companies and finding out more about their culture, values, and hiring process. You can also view employee profiles to see what positions they hold, what they studied, and where they worked before. Personal branding. LinkedIn gives you the ability to create an online resume and professional portfolio, which you can use to showcase your skills, experience, and achievements. A well-crafted LinkedIn profile can help you stand out to potential employers and recruiters. Recruiter outreach. Some recruiters and hiring managers use LinkedIn to search for job candidates. Having a strong profile, demonstrating relevant skills and experiences, and actively engaging in industry groups can increase your visibility and chances of being approached by recruiters. It's important to keep in mind that finding a job through LinkedIn requires effort, dedication, and active engagement. Regularly updating your profile, networking, and actively seeking out job opportunities will increase your chances of finding the right job.